Hello everyone, I'm back here with the M&P FPC. One of the questions I got lately is this thing right there, your bolt catch. I was trying to see if I could take it out and possibly bend one of these sides out a little bit more flat instead of straight down to use it for like a thumb release, because I actually wanted this side done to come out, but this pin right here was kind of hard to get out, and I wasn't going to break anything, so I'm gonna have to dig into this a little bit more to get that trigger and take all this off here. So I'm gonna have to figure out that pin without breaking anything. But there's your internals right there. There's the bolt catch. It is quite a bit different than the 2.0. This is out of the handguns. And I tried to bend the little sides up right here on this one, and it was really hard. I couldn't get it to bend, so it's some pretty good steel right there. So there you go. I'm gonna put this thing back together and we'll see what we can find out later. Take care, bye.